Let's do this now and also check. So in Premium Utilities, we have UI Animations Basic Set. We'll copy it, check that Class Sync is enabled, add a page, Animations. Again, Page Wrapper. Add Animations. Here we can also take a look at blocks to see how a particular animation is applied. Everything is super. Element Rise, Element Move to, and so on. All these animations can also be found in Interactions. Now, let's go to the main page and add animation to scroll trigger. When the elements scroll into view, we add, for example, element slide in top. Take a look. Super! Do the same for this picture. Add, for example, on scroll into view opacity rise. 2 is too much. Also add sliding top. Excellent! We can also add animation to while scrolling, or on page trigger. Element parallax. Move up 75. Let's see what we have. Let's assign a target to this picture. No. Let's do it another way. Let's add this to the element trigger. Just like that. So the animation works. However, perhaps we don't really need it here. Probably it will be a bit too much. Let's move on to the next blocks. Here, for example, we can add such an animation as element sliding right, element sliding left. Let's see what we got. Excellent. And these elements can be made to sliding top. Next, let's also make animations here. And here. One more? Well, that's all. We hope you enjoyed this episode and find it valuable and now have more vision about what TheSprkl is about and how our extension could benefit your web development. Like and share this video if we've helped you achieve your goals. Subscribe to our channel to not miss new episodes and develop your new site into a successful and quality product. See you soon!